sounds a bit complicated, but we will help you with the simple step for the company winding up in DMCC. Hello viewers, I am Komal as a business setup consultant at RVG Chartered Accountants. And I am thrilled to be sharing this video with you today. As it is compulsory for a company to maintain a bookkeeping and other compliances after the company formation in UAE, it is also compulsory for a company to cancel and winding up when the company owner decides not to go with the business anymore. It sounds a bit complicated, but we will help you with the simple step for the company winding up in DMCC. DMCC stands for Dubai Multi-Commodity Center, is a free zone and commercial sector which is located in Dubai, UAE. If a company in DMCC wants to liquidate or winding up their company, it needs to follow some specific process. Step 1. Prepare with the third-party clearance. Those are applicable with your business activities like custom clearance, RTA, Etisalat, DEWA and bank closure letter. Step 2. Appointing a DMCC authorized auditor as a liquidator. Step 3. Visa cancellation of employee if you have any. 4. Original document submission and physical visit of owner to DMCC counter. One more thing I want to highlight here, that the owner needs to e-sign the document if he is outside the country throughout the winding up process, and the liquidator has been given the permission to do so on behalf of him. Step 5. Publication in a local newspaper for 14 days. Step 6. Visa cancellation of owner and manager if any. Step 7. Refund of a portal balance. And last, receiving a termination letter. For winding up the company in DMCC, the starting amount from AD 4200 and depending on the number of a visa active in the company. And the time period will be around 45 to 60 days, depend on the DMCC department. At last, I would like to say that appointing an experienced and reputable auditing firm for the company winding up and liquidating the company is a smart choice. But appointing a RVG as your liquidator is the best choice. You can also contact us at the number displayed on your screen. And if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friend and subscribe our channel to get more content like this. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.